Alright, what is up boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. Taking a look at XRP here on the daily time frame. As always, before we begin, please do like and subscribe, get involved in the channel. Really appreciate all your support, really helps me out. And with that being said, we are just taking a quick look at what's happening with XRP today on the daily time frame. Really not that much going on here. You could say I did have this long position which was put in at around here when we came down and made this swing low, but you bounced back to the upside. We came back down and retested again, and then I did say in yesterday's video if we started to retrace it from that previous candle there, then I would close this position. So I closed it in a little bit of profit here, which is okay. Made a fair amount of XRP on this trade, which is nice. Always love to stack more bags of XRP for the future. And you can see here, obviously we've been in this range for God knows how long now. A large range down here, and then this smaller range under resistance. You can see all of my analysis that has pretty much all played out exactly how I thought it would, to be honest. You can see down here we had this, obviously the bullish divergence off the low. We come down, you know, bounce, run back up to resistance here. Obviously get stuck under this resistance. FTX collapse. We come and break out at the start of the year, making nice bullish market structure, higher highs and higher lows, but we're still stuck under this level here, aren't we, at around 55 cents. We can't seem to close above that 55-cent level, which is essentially this area here of the previous bull market support is now the bear market resistance, as is often the case. And also we are stuck under that bear market trend line that we have been under for a while. You can see this bear market trend line, we are still stuck under it. Right now we really are just grinding our way to the side for XRP, currently sitting at around 48 cents right now realistically. We've been in this little area here for a while, just chopping sideways, and we are reaching kind of a clinch point, aren't we, between this descending bear market resistance and also this support, which is the 0.23 Fibonacci, sitting at around 44 cents. We are grinding our way into this little pocket of space here, and eventually we are going to have to make a decision. I do think that most cryptos really are due for a little bit of a breakout to the upside after being under this resistance for so damn long. A lot of them forming up like this, or, you know, moving in descending wedge patterns, which a lot of altcoins are as well. But I do think right now for XRP in particular, with the SEC lawsuit against Ripple Labs as well, we are seeing a large amount of suppression, just like we have really for the entirety of the bull market. You can see here XRP was really, you know, starting to have a curve bottom like this. We obviously have started to make a move here, and then the SEC case happened, absolutely massively capitulated the price back down to around 17 or 18 cents here. We obviously made a nice 10x in the bull market regardless, but really I think we could have done with making a lot more gains over that period, if I'm being completely honest. And right now we are just basically still suppressed, in my opinion. Obviously I do think XRP a very high quality crypto that's going to do extremely well in the future. And if we're being completely honest right now, if we look at some of these Fibonacci extensions that we could be looking at, I do think heading up towards that $7 level. As you can see, I have previously marked this level at the 161 Fibonacci. That's $6.50, very achievable in the next bull market. And obviously if you do start to dream and look at some of these longer extensions, the 227 here up at around $22 would be a fantastic price. Imagine if you've got 100,000 XRP for around 50k and it goes to essentially a 40x. You're going to be doing extremely well, aren't you? Obviously, there are some even more ridiculous Fibonacci extensions for XRP from this level here. That is not the right... Where's my Fibonacci? There it is. Obviously, if you take it from that full all-time high down to this low all the way down here, the extensions start to get even more tasty with a, as you can see, a 227 target up in the, well up in the $200 levels, which is obviously absolutely crazy to think about right now. Who knows if these things are actually possible, but for now XRP grinding away under bear market resistance. We are waiting for a move in either direction. As I said before, I'm not taking any trades, I'm just waiting and seeing what happens, but I do think a little bit of joy for Bitcoin and for XRP could be on the cards in the next few weeks. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts, become a YouTube member and all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next video.